Okay, this thing looks like something that's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's not. It is an eye massager with a mist feature, so it's like a spa for your eyes. Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this RENPHO Eye Massager. This is the Iris Caligo, and as mentioned before, it does have a mist feature that is really fascinating. So right on the inside, you have this removable mist compartment, so you can just slide that out and we're going to get it filled up together. They do send a little bottle so you can easily fill this up. It has a little plug here in the middle, so you're just going to pop that out and we're just going to fill this up and then pop that plug back in there. And you can see I filled it up about halfway. And something really cool is that if you don't want to have this piece in, you don't have to, and that will allow you to literally see through this very faintly, like goggles. It is super tinted, so if you are using this to relax and unwind, or say you have a migraine and you're sensitive to light, this is going to give a very dim view, so you can still function to some degree, or if you have to watch your kids, you can still keep your eye on them while you sit back and relax, as long as you don't have this piece in. But otherwise, you're gonna pop this right back in. And this also has the temple massagers that are here on the side. They are beautifully padded and they're adjustable, so you can slide these out a little bit or you can push them in depending on where you need it placed. And then the strap on this is incredible. It's so soft, it's nice and thin, so it doesn't feel irritating if you're sitting back. You're not going to be laying on like a chunky strap, and it's super adjustable here on the sides, and it's nice and elastic, so it's easy to put on. Ta-da! It is absolutely wonderful. So the only place on me that is not a great fit is right here along the temple massagers. It sticks off my head a little bit, but when it does build up pressure, that will still touch and it massages really nicely still. Right now I am 11 weeks postpartum. My skin is super dry, so the mist feature is incredible. My skin definitely needs some extra hydration, which this is going to be perfect for. So some other features to this. You have some control buttons up here on the top. You have your standard power button. When it's on, you can do short presses and set this for a timer. There is an audio feature, so it will talk to you and tell you what's happening, but you can always turn that off as well. And there is music like water flowing, crickets, and just other nature options. And there are different volume levels as well, or you can connect this via Bluetooth to your phone and listen to your own music. So regardless of what you choose, it definitely adds to the relaxation factor. And then you have your mode button over here that is going to allow you to control the mist feature. So you can have it do continuous mist, you can have it do it intervals, or you can turn the mist feature off altogether. And then you can also use mode to change to silent mode or have that audio play for you if you want it. And last but not least, you have the pressure button. That's going to allow you to control between soft, medium, or firm pressure, or you can turn off the pressure altogether. Or there's even built-in modes for tension or regeneration. So you can control all of that right up here on the top. It's super quick and easy, and it's nice and handy to have that at your fingertips. They do provide you with a little travel bag, so you can easily pop this in here and take it wherever you want to go. You can take it on the plane, you can take it on vacation, or you can use it right at home. So if you guys were looking for a wonderful option to let you guys relax a little bit better and a little bit deeper, or if you wanted to gift someone that experience, this is such a cool device. I know you guys would love it. It's amazing. You've got to give it a try.